going to demonstrate how to add and delete users. So first of all, I'm going to delete a user. So this person has left the company, so we're going to, or the key's been lost, we're going to take this key out. This key has a position number of 10. I will show you that when I re-enter it later. So if I put key number 10 in, press enter, comes up with 10, mark, and the password, which was 1654. I press enter, user deleted. At this point I can cancel back, which is going back up the menu to users, enter, add a user, yes. User's name, let's put me back in as Mark. Press enter. It's going to say, do I want a PIN number? Yes. I'm going to use the same PIN number again, which is 1654. Enter. Do I want to use this electronic key? Yes, I do. Touch it here. Auto user number. Press enter. Comes back as Mark. Position number 10. PIN number is 1654. Now we can actually check this is a valid key by cancelling out of the menus. Back to the main screen. Good morning, Mark. Now it's asking for the registration number, an odometer reading, and we're up to the stage where we can dispense fuel. That's it. Now the system will time out. I've stopped taking fuel. It's waiting, it's listening for more signals coming in from the pulse meter, hasn't found them. It's gone back to the idle screen, listening for the next transaction or next interaction from the user. As the manager, should I assume to find this key on the ground, I can come up and enter my code, which is 1234. I can scroll down to check key, press enter. Touch the key. Oh, it's Mark's key. So if you label the key and you find that the label or the numbering is wearing off, you can actually go and identify the key on the unit. We can cancel out of there. One other valid point you probably need to know about this is if you want to change stuff inside the sub menu, which is the initial setup menu, you'll need to enter the codes 1234, enter. Now here you'll have a double key press. You'll need to scroll down to systems. You need to hold the hash key in and press 1, which takes you into the initial setup screen. You'll see unit name is Petro. We can enter through, registration's enabled. You can disable at this point or enable. Same with the odometer, disable, enable. Start timeout. Yeah, I've got 20 seconds here to take product, otherwise the system's going to time out. I can change that to 10, so it's going to time out early. 4 seconds filling timeout, so if it stops taking product, 4 seconds it'll shut the system down. No remote printer, so we've just got no. We could select yes, but we don't. PC connected, no. This is for a hardwired application or RS485. Measurements in litres, you can actually change this to gallons, back to litres. Decimal places, we can have 2 if we choose. Low level input, this is where the Piusi Cube tank level indicator or gauging system would interact with the system. We don't have it, so we'll leave it as no. Key reader, yes. At this point we could actually say no, we don't want to use these keys, we just want to use PIN numbers. We're going to use keys for demonstration purpose. System code. Here we can actually change the manager's code. I wouldn't advise it, simply because if you forget the code, the system is locked and you're locked out. This code is also required in your software. So when you're downloading or using the Piusi software, at lots of stages in the software it'll ask for a code, which is 1234. So it's good to keep the two consistent. Touch system key, that's your manager's key or system key. Touch it on the system. It's now lined up. And we can just cancel out now. We're back to the beginning. Thank you. I'm just going to demonstrate how you would download the memory onto the system key. Now you'll need your manager's password, which is 1234. You'll press enter. You will scroll down through the menus till you see data transfer. You'll press enter. At this point you would touch the key, wait, full system key, done, and it will come away. When it tells you to remove the key, it's finished. That's it, as simple as that. When you've loaded the software, you must configure the system. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go into configuration, and we're going to go to system configuration. It's going to ask for a password. It's 1234. Press enter. Select the first box, and you need to enter the serial number of the MC box. The serial number of the MC box we're using is 005022. We check 1. We're going to change it from RS485 to USB only. It's complete. Next part of the configuration, we need to come into the serial port selection. Once again, it's requesting the password 1234. Confirm. We're going to select I button or USB. Now we've completed that, we're right to do an actual transaction. So we're just going to plug the manager's key in. I've already done a download off the system outside. So if all this is lined up properly, it should download immediately. Okay, we're just going to download the MC box data onto the software. We're going to load the software. We've plugged in our download cable. We have our manager's key, which we're plugging in now. Automatically the software runs. Operation is complete. We can press OK. It's actually going through now and erasing the information on the key. We see the words operation complete, master key is empty, we can exit. It asks us for a code to exit. It's always a manager's code, which is 1234. Now we can go in and actually view the data. We go into VS Print up the top here. It's in management. We can sort it by operator, unit or rego number. We can do rego number. We can actually choose a single date. We can choose a single unit number, a single registration number. So as you can see here, we don't want to do this at this stage, we just want to select all. We're going to stay date range. Just print it off. As you can see there, we have a nice little running data sheet. We've got options down here where we can print, attach it to an email. This little suitcase symbol here is the one we want. We want to export it to a spreadsheet. Here it is, CSV file. Keep it in the same format as this document here. It's asking us to save it, so we're going to put it to desktop for now. We're going to save it as test. We're done. We can close this out. We can cancel this. We'll exit out of the software. We'll go and have a look at our spreadsheet. There we are. All our information's in our spreadsheet. We can expand the fields. Thank you.